So this is an ADHD cleaning planner for to start the new year especially. And this is how it looks. It's pretty thin, but it also comes with 36 portrait and portrait 36 portrait blanks. And this is my first impression on it too. So let's see how this looks together. So far, this is how it looks. So you have daily tasks like make the bed, empty trash, do dishes, and it has like days of the week here that you can do this. And then on Monday you can clean the sink, clean stovetop, clean kitchen table. Tuesday, it has the living room, which is vacuum mop floor, clean electronics, dust and white furniture. Wednesday bedrooms, Thursday bathrooms. Friday the interest, Saturday groceries. Sunday other things around the area of your house. And like it's just so organized, it seems. And it has a lot of other stuff like deep cleaning sections for the garage. It also has deep cleaning for outdoor, the playroom if you have kids. And then a cleaning routine. So if you want a morning routine, after breakfast, midnight before bed, and midday. So that's very nice. And then it gives you sections here. So this is like the bedroom deep clean section. If you want to write your own tasks, you're able to, and it's all color coded for the certain days of the week. And then here for the office, it even has a section to items of replace in your notes. So this is very convenient. I like how organized this all is, especially someone who has, like they say, ADHD. This is like literally perfect for them. And then here is the family chore chart if you want to give chores to anyone in the family for any time of the week.